A short while ago, our grandfather passed away and gave his business to us. We have kept the staff, but are currently finding new ways to implement 21st century business models, ideas, and trends to make the company more effective in reaching our clients. Our primary emphasis is on managing and analyzing a company's social media strategy by utilizing social media management and analytic websites. In particular, People Browser and Sprout Social. This is our story.
Hey Laura, come on in.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how about you?
I'm good.
Go and have a seat. I called you in here because I want you to get together with the marketing team and look over People Browser and Sprout Social. I've heard a lot of great things about these websites, and I think it'd be a great way to manage and analyze our social media strategy. Excuse me. And also, it'll improve our customer relationship management.
Okay. I think that sounds like a really good idea. Everyone uses social media these days, and it's probably the cheapest and most effective way to reach the consumer.
Exactly, and I think this would be a great way to improve our customer service. It'll also help bring in new customers and even increase profitability. Go ahead and talk about it with the marketing team and come up with a decision on which website would be the most cost effective and efficient way for our business. And then get back to me in a week or so and let me know what you guys decide.
Okay, sounds good. I'll have the team get started on that right away.
Okay, I'll see you in a week.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Hey, how are you guys doing today?
Pretty good.
Are you ready for the meeting?
Absolutely, yes.
Alright. Everybody ready? Okay, so this week our assignment was to research and compare the social media analytic websites, People Browser and Sprout Social. Today I just want to discuss the information we found and make a decision on what we want to present to the CEO later on. And John, tell me what you found about the type of clients that they both use and your analysis of the digital dashboards.
Absolutely. Sprout Social and People Browser serve their services to two different types of clientele. Sprout Social provides a major emphasis on small businesses and independent social providers such as attorneys, real estate agents, bloggers, etc. People Browser, on the other hand, offers their services primarily for large corporate companies that require an outsourcing model for their social media management. Some of People Browser's clients are Honda, Kodak, Interscope Records, and Fox Television Network. Both of these social media management websites has the ability to integrate the basic types of social media networks available in the world today, such as Facebook profiles, Twitter profiles, LinkedIn profiles. However, Sprout Social does include an upgrade option from their basic small business package to a deluxe package, which allows the integration of Google Analytics as an alternative way of measuring social media success. The information from the social media profiles on both websites is organized through digital dashboards. Sprout Social's digital dashboard is organized through a unique profile summary that provides key insight from measures of social network engagement and influence, and it also allows you to manage different profiles of your network. And in addition, part of the profile summary provides information through a social scorecard, which provides information on data trends from the different social network profiles. On the other hand, People Browser provides complete customizability for the user in obtaining and constructing the digital dashboard. People Browser's digital dashboard allows the users to extract key information from the data in your social network profiles. For example, you can create a report that can be generated from a broadcast message from the company and highlight the key demographics who view this message.
Antoine and Torin, what other features did you two find out about the two websites?
I did some research on the Sprout Social menus, and it's equipped with a bunch of features. One of them is the inbox, which compiles messages and gives you the ability to hover over those messages and view more in-depth, detailed information. You can also flag messages for later update where you can follow up on those messages. Another feature is the Discover feature, which gives you keyword searches, people searches, business searches, also allowing you to compare yourself to those other businesses. And you can also export those reports onto a PDF file so you can get a close visual of it. And another one, Scheduler, which allows you to schedule messages and tweets in advance for your clients. Also allows you to create recurring messages. Plus, it provides info on the best time to tweet. Another feature is the contact feature, which allows you to search the entire community, giving you the ability to add individuals to your address book in order to keep closer contact with those people.
People Browser's menu is actually called Playground, and it has 4 functions on it. The first function is Search, and this allows you to search based on keywords, geographical, and demographic information. The second function is Analytics, and this provides customized reports, and it also has a nice feature that tracks positive and negative sentiments. The third function is Engagement, and this tracks your activity and allows you to publish on multiple sites with just one click. The last function is the Grid function, and this function is People Browser's collection of 1,000 days of data, and it's stored in the cloud.
So what did everybody think about the free trials when you tried them out and the price structures of the services?
I thought Sprout Social's interface was really easy to use, even though I had no previous experience with it. I also liked that it showed the summaries of information on the digital dashboard instead of the raw data. And one of my favorite parts was that it includes a mobile app for your smartphone. Pretty cool.
While People Browser is more customizable and has more features than Sprout Social, it's kind of hard to get into and harder to use. It took me a while to kind of figure out where everything was, so it'll take a bit more experience to kind of get into it. And it's more for bigger companies, and since we're so small, it's not really a viable option.
Okay, I think that with all of the information that you guys have provided, we have everything that we need to make a decision. I did a little research on a few alternatives such as Facebook Insight, Hootsuite, and Social Mention, but it sounds to me that Sprout Social would still be our best option. To go into more detail, Sprout Social would be a much easier adaptation for our company because it does not require as much experience to learn how to use it, and considering the amount of features that we'll actually take advantage of, it will get more for our money basically using Sprout Social opposed to People Browser. It will also be great to be able to export documents as PDF files so we can share our progress to the CEO and other companies in a visually pleasing manner. And the iPhone app will also make it easy for us to all do business on the go, which should be really nice, so we don't have to spend all of our time here. If we were a larger company, People Browser would probably be a more preferable option because it provides more detailed information, but at this point in our business, we can't really afford the costs at our time, and it would take a lot of time to learn the software. Does that sound good to everybody?
Yep.
Alright, great. Well, I think you guys all deserve to take the rest of the day off because we've all been working really hard, and I'll take our presentation to the CEO.